The Revolution's story isn't complete without them. African Americans who fought, endured, and helped win America's independence. Welcome to Oliver's History Project, where you'll learn the exciting true history in the novel, The Unlikely Life of Oliver Atkinson. For Black Americans, the Revolutionary War wasn't just politics, it was survival. Enslaved and free people weighed risk, freedom, and family. Before 1775, slavery was legal in every colony. Free black communities existed, but opportunity was limited and freedom fragile. British officials, including Lord Dunmore, promised freedom to enslaved people who fled rebel masters and joined the crown. His motive wasn't humane but practical. He wanted to put down the rebellion. Thousands joined the British as soldiers, laborers, and sailors, hoping liberty would follow victory. Many later evacuated to Canada or the Caribbean. Early on, many Patriot leaders barred black enlistment. Manpower shortages, and ideals, slowly changed that stance. Free and formerly enslaved men served in the Continental Army and militias, at Lexington, Saratoga, and beyond, often promised freedom for service. Some Patriots gained freedom, many did not. Loyalists faced betrayal too, disease, exile, and hardship after the war. Black soldiers fought for both flags, but the same hope, liberty. Their courage reshaped the war and exposed a nation's unfinished promise.